Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to verify your email address in the SHEIN application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the Me button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the Settings button at the top of the page on the right. And then click on the Manage My Account button. And then click on the Email button. And as you can see, here's your email address, and click on the Verify button, where an email will be sent to you, and you have to click on the link in the email to complete it. And as you can see, 100 points will be in your pocket, in your SHEIN pocket, if you do that. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.